Pharmacy benefit managers, again a topic of concern in the tri-states. You may recall our coverage of an Iowa bill passed nearly 2 years ago. Now a Missouri lawmaker is introducing legislation to do the same thing in the Show Me state.
One of the main aspects of a PBM is to negotiate drug pricing with drug manufacturers and to develop formularies for the insurance.
The healthcare industry is ever changing. In the case of pharmacy benefits managers, a Missouri pharmacist who asked to remain anonymous told me their role has morphed into an unnecessary go-between, ensuring they receive a bulk of the profits while hiding those adjustments from consumers.
They're really just increasing the cost of healthcare and increasing the cost of medication for patients.
Oftentimes, PBMs will recommend more costly drugs be mail-ordered, preventing pharmacies from receiving any revenue.
You don't make money on a lot of prescriptions. There's a lot of prescriptions we fill for less than $1. They steal all your money-making prescriptions. The independent pharmacies can't survive. So that's why independent pharmacies keep closing throughout the nation. It's becoming a real problem. When a local pharmacy closes, it decreases seniors' ability to access medication. It increases the cost of healthcare in the long run.
If the prescriptions are staying relatively same to produce them, then why are our prescriptions going up? And all the fingers seem to point to lack of transparency within the PBMs.
Missouri Senator Jill Carter introducing legislation that aims to mandate transparency and hold PBMs accountable. Senate Bill 984 doubles the notice window for prescription audits, requires PBMs to specify which drugs they're auditing, and limits each instance to no more than 25 random selections. The act also regulates costs charged to those with coverage, prohibiting PBMs from charging more than the agreed-upon copay or what a patient would spend out of pocket. When it comes to contracts, this bill requires more data and documentation to be shared between PBMs, pharmacies, and insurance companies. It also gives the Department of Commerce and Insurance the authority to audit benefits managers. Carter's legislation is the first step in regulating the industry. It was originally part of a larger policy package, but the senator told me passing her bill now will make passing the rest a bit easier down the road.
We know that there's a problem, but identifying the problem and trying to pass policies that ensures that everybody's kind of protected and the consumer is protected is a little bit of a more nuanced policymaking decision. So if we can know where transparency is, then we figure, okay, we can come back and address more of these issues once we have transparency.
Senate Bill 984 was introduced to the Committee on Family, Seniors, and Health back in January. So far, no further movement, but we'll keep you posted.